Good morning, students. I hope you all would be fine. So, students, in my last lecture, I have explained you certain features of MS Teams through screenshots. Here, this time, I am going to give you a demo tutorial of various features of MS Teams, and I hope you will find it very fruitful for you. So, first, I am going to begin from the chat. Suppose you want to write something to Harshita Bhatia. These are the members of my teams, and you can chat, you can write anything, and this shows that chat has been seen, and then this can go in this way. She has written, "Hello, ma'am. Here's my assignment. This is the feedback that I have given after seeing it." Then she has given her reply. You can share certain files also. Suppose you want to share certain, as she has shared it to me. You can, if you want to just have a look on that, so you can have a look on this. This is the file which has been shared by her to me. Sometimes it takes time. The file which has been shared by her. These are the e-portfolio which I have demanded, and then e-portfolio has been screenshots of e-portfolio has been pasted on PPTs, and they have tried to explain various riddles of Krishna Kumar through that. So we can give the feedback, we can have this to, we can chat, we can share certain files. Suppose I want to share certain file, so I have to go here, share, and then share. I need to find whether the file is in OneDrive or it is in my computer. Suppose it is my computer, so I can choose any file and then select and share. Uh, so by this way we can share the file also. Now I'm going to talk about, these are the major features, you can see that, and under that feature there is a deep explanation. Now next is the themes. I need to keep my pick here because features are available there. Now under the theme you will find this, that I have Seekers and Commerce Club. These are the themes, and this ellipsis will tell you what you can do under that. You can manage your team, you can add channel, you can add any member, you can leave the team, edit the team, and various links can be given. So what you can uh, do in manage team, just have a look. Under manage team, you can add member. Suppose there are 75 members in my team. If I want to add anyone, so I can add any member to this team. Now see, okay, you can see that I am the owner. When you click on that, everyone will be the member. If I want to make owner among the students, so I can make the owner also. It is taking time in opening. This time it's not opening. I don't know what is happening. If you want to add any member, so click on add member. There might be some network issues. Sorry, internet issues. Yes. Uh, these are the members. Okay, you can see that they are the owner or member. If I want to make Bhumika or Bhumija as an owner, so I can do so. Now this is about add members. So if I want to add anyone, so but see, I can add only that member who has MS Teams in their phones or in their desktop. They have to accept my link. After that only they can be the members of my team. So suppose I type jazz links. So this is Suppose I want to add, so I can add her. But I have already added her, so I'm not going to add her again. So you can add her by this process. So members could be add, and members can be removed. If you want to remove any member, so here by this you can remove any member. If you click, you can see there is a notification, remove, remove Sharma Megha. Okay, so under that team, you can create certain channels also. Suppose you want to make a group of students, that these are tute 1 students, these are tute 2 students, these are tute 3. So you can create a channel. Under the channel, suppose I have made this channel tute 5. Okay, and descriptions is reflections on school experience. I have created that. So whatever notification, whatever information I want to send, so that notification will go to them only. And under this ellipse, you can see, you can manage channel, you can add member again, you can edit this and delete this channel also, and you can leave the channel anytime. So this is all about the channel. Okay, same way I have created another team. Now one question will definitely will be coming in your mind, that how can I create a team? This is the most important question that I must be able to answer. So there's a mentioning here that join or create a team. So you can create team by clicking here, and when you do so, click on create team and create from scratch. Build a team from scratch. You want to have it private, public, or nationwide. Suppose I want to have it private. People have to take my permission when they want to add. So suppose I want to give team name, uh, be it be it first year. Okay, so I can write be it first year, then I can create. So here you can see that be it first year. Now it will ask me add member. So I have to add certain member. So suppose I have added certain students of first year also, like Vaishali. Vaishali Maggu is in first year, so I can add her here. Add. Now she has become the member of my team. Okay, so in this way we can create. I'm not going to create it, I'm just simply showing you how to do so. I can remove that also. I want to delete it, so I am going to delete this thing. Fine. And through invite people, you are supposed to invite students that I have mentioned earlier. You can send your copy link, you can invite them through the contact list or through the email addresses. So through that, you can invite the students to be a part of your organization. And when they join you in your organization, then only you will be able to create teams. And when you create teams, then only you can create channels. So that hierarchy needs to be maintained. So this is all about the teams. Now I'm taking to the calls. So under the call, you can create group also, and you want to make a call. It may be audio call or the video call. So suppose I want to call Karan. Okay, so I'm going to make a call to her. Sorry. So in this way, call will go. If he picks the call, then only I will be able to share screen and do certain other actions. Otherwise, it won't be easy for me to do certain other actions. So this time he is not picking up call, so you may hang up. So here I am trying to call him again. I need to go to the calls, and there I am going to type Karan. If I want to call to some other person also, so I can type other name also, like Radhika. So I can call. This call will go to both of them. So video is not working. We could not use your webcam for video. This might be. So Karan is available now. So I can share my screen with him, and so what I want to, suppose I want to share any PPT. Suppose I want to share this PPT. So PPT has been shared with him. You can see that PPT also. Suppose I want to share anything and any work which has been done by them, so we can share that also. Okay, so through that we can do so. Furthermore, I want to tell you, through that you can do the video call also. This time his camera is off, he might be busy, so we can share the screen. I can see his face, he can see my face also, and you can mute the speakers, okay, and microphone. You can show participants. These are the participants. अभी जो इस कॉल में हैं वो सिर्फ दो ही लोग हैं. It means उन्होंने फ़ोन नहीं उठाया है. Okay. I can show conversation also. Conversation means conversation between him and I. So these were the conversations. So these are the things that we can do on the spot. So if the students want to ask something, they can ask. They can dispel their doubts. Okay, through the calls. So I think this is going to be very nice face-to-face interaction platform. Furthermore, I want to tell you something about files. So I'm going to take you to the files. And that files, suppose these are the files which has been shared by the students and by me also. So this is mentioned here, Poonam Sharma and Poonam Sharma. This, and Arushi, this. So these are the files which has been shared on this storage. So suppose I want to uh, open it. This is again a video, I think. It will take time in opening. This was
Good afternoon, students. I hope you all would be fine
this was a video
and
that I have
taking
shared with the
best possible
students.
care for beating.
So this, suppose this is the PPT which was shared by the students. So you can have files at one place also. These are the screenshots which was given by Arushi Kapoor. Furthermore, I want to tell you about this. Look at this ellipsis, what comes under it. You can have OneNote, Task Inbox, Wiki, Zoom that I have recently added in it. OneNote. When you click on that OneNote, you will find this platform. If you want to explain some certain thing to the students, So you can explain them just like a uh, just wait a minute. Yes. Now what, suppose you need to draw something, so click on that draw, you will find a pencil here. Click on that pencil, and you want to choose color, so please choose. Suppose I choose blue color. So I need to click here twice and then start writing. If I leave mouse, then it will not work. Click twice and start writing. But इसका एक best way और भी है, वो that I will tell you later, that we can have it, we can write certain things with other ways also. We can use there is an app which is going to be very fruitful, but for that we need to have it in on your mobile and on your the desktop also, that is virtual tablet. Through virtual tablet you can easily connect your server of phone through the desktop server, and then you will be able to write very easily. Whatever you write on your phone, it will be shown on your desktop. So that I will let you know about later. And for that I will let you know later. Now I was telling you about the apps. So these are the apps that you can have available in it. These are the apps and services available for team. So I have just added Zoom. Suppose I want to add this image. So I need to click add, and once I do, enter the key to search for the image. Suppose I want to search the image of cognition. So these are the image of cognition. Whatever what image I want to insert, I may insert that. So at one place you are going to find so many things. You can open the URL here, you can copy it and insert it. Copy, and if you want to paste it, you can paste it here also. It's not working here. Just wait a minute. It's not working this time, but you can use that. So you can have certain apps inside it also. These are the apps again. So friends, I think this is going to be very fruitful for you. I hope so. If any mistakes have been committed by me, so I feel very sorry for that. But I have tried my best to make you acquainted with the top features of MS Teams. Further, there is a chance of exploration. You may explore so many things in it. And I hope you are going to teach me well. Thank you so much and have a great time ahead.